Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. How you guys doing with me today? Hi. I am just on a Now United bench this week. I've been listening to a few of their songs back to back this week, and I decided to do another reaction video to the group. And this song is called Chained Up by Now United, and I can't wait. I really do like this group. I can't wait till this coronavirus is over so I can go to one of their concerts. Water. Does the water good? Oh, I can't wait to go to Dubai. So much money to spend. Is that Josh? Love me some Josh. Yes. He should take, I hope he's taking acting classes. He'd be a very good actor.
Girl says she from LA, somewhere deep in the valley.
Yes, Kristen.
No cushy wealthing, yeah. One look at me, hey, baby. She said, boy, come home with me. No cushy.
Christian, sir, they need to give you some more singing roles, sir. You have a very nice voice. They need to give you some. Oh, is that Annie in the background with them harmony? That's Annie.
Girl says she from LA, somewhere deep in the valley.
Hey.
No cushy wealthing, yeah.
She stay dancing.
Baby, she said, boy, come home with me.
Hey.
No cushy wealthing, yeah.
She wanna, oh nana, I'm gonna, oh lala. She magical, she ride my waters like I won a ladder. She don't want no drama, she don't want no dollars. She magical, she ride my waters like I won a ladder.
Met a girl says she from LA, somewhere deep in the valley. Hey. No cushy wealthing, dripping in ice, so paralyzed.
They better come through with a second language song.
Stockholm syndrome, don't wanna leave. Girl, you do it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm loving how you got me chained up. I try to play it defiantly, but I'm doing.
Josh better get his screen time.
Yeah, I'm loving how you got me chained up. Losing myself in the void. I'm giving it no control. It's storming, no warning.
Yeah. Oh, come through, effect.
Chained up, no heads up, not a warning. Why my back like a drawing?
What?
I don't feel disappointed. All these endorphins, feeling them swarming. I'm chained up, no heads up, not a warning. Why my
Come on,
back
Josh.
like a drawing? But I don't feel disappointed. All
Showing
these
off.
endorphins, feeling them swarming.
I'm tripping on a chain like dirty laundry. By this time my head is feeling kinda slushy. She said it's time to go and bring out the finale. This one is savvy, I want her badly.
Dripping in ice.
Come through, Miss Thing. She better walk it on hills.
Got Stockholm syndrome, don't wanna leave. Girl, you do it differently. Yeah, I'm loving how you got me chained up. I try to play it defiantly, but I'm doing terribly. Yeah, I'm loving how you got me chained up. Losing myself in the void. I'm giving it no control. It's storming, no warning. Loving how you got me
Chained up.
chained up. Got me
They would really do make a very good boy band group.
You got me
I think that would be a very good thing to do for Now United. Oh, she's gorgeous. I live for her. I like when those two dance together. They have a very good dance chemistry. Living, chained up. Chained up. Yes, y'all better represent. Oh, they were doing a lot of filming over there when it was in Dubai. So that was another music video reaction from me to the group Now United, to the song Chained Up. I really do think that how the K-pop and J-pop, they usually have like a whole house or tribe of large amount of people within the tribe, and they have subgroups within that. And I think the 4 guys from Now United will do such a good job. Noah, Bailey, Josh, and Kristen will do such a good job as a whole boy group within Now United. So I want to say thanks to the one who recommended me react to this group. I really do appreciate it. I really do like this group. Everybody else, whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.